First time in Kenji's scrambled eggs. So apparently cornstarch in US is equivalent to corn flour in UK, but corn flour in US is equivalent to cornmeal in UK. Why does it all have to be so confusing? While the recipe says 4, Kenji says using less is fine as well, so we'll try to be healthier. Half of this will go straight into the pan and the other half will be cut into cubes. Not the prettiest looking cubes, but whatever. I completely forgot to add salt here, and my excuse is I was already starving at this point. This kind of looks good enough. I think I'm meant to wait until there's only a few water droplets left, but I'm actually pretty hungry. It's quite fascinating how Kenji uses these cubes of butter to create little localized pockets of cooler areas, so we get a nice textural contrast of gently set curds and rich creamier eggs. This seems like a technique that I can leverage in other dishes in the future, so I'll keep it in mind. This is definitely cooking quite fast as expected since we are on medium-high and we're aiming for medium curds. There is something quite aesthetic seeing these blankets of golden sheets get folded in one by one. I keep forgetting that the eggs are meant to be undercooked when it leaves the pan because the residual heat will keep cooking them afterwards. A bit of black pepper and a generous amount of salt because I forgot to season before whisking.
I used about 3 tablespoons of butter in here. I think in my actual recipe, it calls for 4 tablespoons of butter. You could use less, you could use 2, you could use 1.
As you can see, I wasn't able to replicate the same texture as Kenji because of my poor heat control this time round. Anyway, let's try this. Disregarding the uneven seasoning caused by myself, these eggs are deceptively soft. As in, it tastes softer than it looks, like the texture doesn't match what the look suggests. I assume this is because of the cornstarch technique, and it's pretty nifty to be honest. I'll definitely use it in the future. TLDR, taste is a 7.3 out of 10 with a potential of 8.5 if I had even seasoning and better heat control. Ease is 8.5 out of 10, having to cut the butter into cubes was quite annoying. Feel free to pause the video, otherwise take care, bye!